Hello my friends, Rune here again with another unboxing video from my favorite toy shop, Game On. So, let's do like so. Let's slice it open. First of all, I bought some more CO2 canisters. 100. And then I asked if I could borrow this nice revolver from First Strike, the First Strike Roscoe. User manual, accessory box, and the revolver. It is fastened with a cable tie, so I need something to cut it with. I don't want to use the knife, risk harming the marker. But there you have it. So this is a pure paintball marker. You can use it for paintball games and of course some plinking. It is not for self-defense. It's not hard hitting enough for that. I think it shoots at around 2 joules or something. So, but stay tuned for more videos. And as I said, you can buy it from Game On here in Norway. And if you're using the coupon code RUNEREBEL, you will get a 13% discount. Yes. Okay, hope you liked the little unboxing video. Thank you for watching.